Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do a screen clipping in Microsoft PowerPoint and in Microsoft Word. Screen clippings are really helpful because it lets you customize a PowerPoint or a Word document to your liking. So I'm going to start off with my PowerPoint presentation here. And in order to do a screen clipping, you're going to go to your top up here and you're going to click on Insert. Once you have Insert selected, you're going to go where it says Screenshot. You're going to click that arrow, and you're going to click on Screen Clipping. Now, before I screen clip anything, the most important part about screen clipping is that whatever you're screen clipping needs to be in the last window you had opened. For example, I have what I want to screen clip opened in Google Chrome. So I'm going to click on that now. And what I want to do is in my PowerPoint, I want to make a slide about perspective. So now this was the last window I had opened. Now I can go to my PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on Screenshot, Screen Clipping. And now it turns my screen into a lighter color, and I'm going to now pick what I want to screen clip. So I'm going to do the title. You're going to click where you want to start, hold down the mouse, and you're going to drag. As you drag, you see the color more. Once you're done, you're going to unclick. And now it brings the image into my PowerPoint. You can make it bigger if you want. You can make it smaller. I'm going to make mine bigger and drag it where I want. Now I'm going to go back to select a couple more images to put into my PowerPoint. Now I'm going to show you what happens when you have a different window opened last. So I have a blank Word document. I'm going to click on that. Now from my Word document, I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint. Insert, Screen Clipping. As you see what happens, it brings me back to my Word document since that was the last window I had opened, and I don't want to screen clip something from there. So I'm going to hit Escape. So now I'm going to go back to Google Chrome. I want to screen clip something from here. So I'm going to make sure that whatever I'm going to screen clip is in my window. I want to screen clip these 3 images here, one at a time. So I'm going to first do the narrator. So I have it all lined up. I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint, Insert, Screen Clipping, and now I'm going to click and drag. All right, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, drag it where I want it, and now I'm going to go back, move the page where I want it, go back to PowerPoint, Insert, Screen Clipping, and I'm going to select my next image. Click and drag, and now I'm going to move that where I want it and resize. Do one more, make sure the window is lined up the way I want it. Insert, Screen Clipping, and this is the last image I want to put on the slide. All right, I'm done screen clipping in PowerPoint. And if I wanted to, I could add another slide and do some more screen clippings on there. Instead, I'm going to move on to Microsoft Word. If you know how to screen clip in PowerPoint, it's pretty much the same thing in Word. So I'm going to click on the window. Now, once again, remember, if I was to insert and hit screen clipping, see it's the same thing as PowerPoint, it's going to bring me to the last window I had opened, which was PowerPoint. And I don't want to screen clip something from my PowerPoint. I want to go back to Google Chrome again. So I'm going to hit Escape, go to Google Chrome, and I want to screen clip some fraction questions for my Word document. So everything's lined up in the window. I'm going to go back to Microsoft Word, Insert, Screenshot, and the arrow, go to Screen Clipping. And now I'm going to click and drag. All right, I have one question there. Now I'm going to insert another question. I'm going to go to this one, click, drag, and now I have another question in my Word document. I really love doing screen clippings in Word and PowerPoint because it really allows you to put images into your documents, into your PowerPoints. It allows you to make worksheets for students where you can hand pick the questions you want and screen clip them into the document. There's really a lot of uses for it. If anyone has any questions, feel free to reach out to me.